Many of us Filipinos dream of having access to quality preventive health care. But now there's a promising step forward with a partnership between Fullerton Health and Metro Pacific's digital healthcare arm, MWell. Mobile Journal Francis Orsio has the story.
Sa panahong dumarami ang mga sakit, minsan di na raw sapat yung pagkain ng masusustansyang pagkain at pag-eehersisyo. Dapat regular na check-up na rin para kung may sakit man, agad maaagapan. Sa dami ng mga ospital at klinik na may health screening services, may isang nangunguna sa Pilipinas pagdating sa usaping advanced executive health check-up, ang Fullerton Health.
Fullerton Health is probably Southeast Asia's largest provider of healthcare network management services. And now the Philippines, we are looking to provide the populations here with executive health screening as well as advanced diagnostic imaging services.
Depende sa pangangailangan ng pasyente, pwedeng suriin ang kondisyon ng buong pangangatawan, pati na ang heart, liver, kidney, thyroid at iba pang tests. Pero mas advanced ang serbisyo ng Fullerton Health. Sa loob lang ng 2 oras, tapos na lahat ng health screening tests. Malayo sa karaniwang kalahating araw o hanggang kinabukasan. May executive class pod pa na natatangi lang sa Pilipinas. Ito yung mala business class private space na pwedeng tambayan ng pasyente habang isinasagawa ang check-up.
This is for everyone. This is for every Filipino. And this is the only time that they can feel an upgrade from what they are experiencing right now.
Mas pinadali pa ang pag-avail ng executive check-up. Sa tulong yan ng MWell, ang digital healthcare arm ng Metro Pacific Investments Corporation. Meron kasing 24/7 health and wellness mobile application ang MWell kung saan magagamit para ma-access ang mga serbisyong meron ang Fullerton.
It's also important that we reach the public quite fast. So we have partnered with MWell. We know that through Health Hub, we're there, we're visible, and it helps us a lot because we get inquiries, the clients get to reach out to us very quickly, and even setting up appointments.
Sa mga interesadong mag-avail ng executive check-up packages ng Fullerton Health, i-download lang ang MWell 24/7 app. Mobile journalist Francis Orsio po, hatid ang mukha ng balita.